Vocabulary of money. Money has different names depending on its purpose, usage, or context, like alimony, donation, fee, dowry, fine, pension, tax, salary, wages, loan, tip, bribe, fund, ransom, allowance, cash, and debt. Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel TWH Academy. Today we are going to learn about vocabulary words related to money. So let's discuss its names one by one. After a divorce, money paid regularly to the other spouse is called alimony. Money that is available for you to use when you need is called cash. If you owe money to someone, this money is called a debt. Money offered in a mosque or a church is called a donation. In some countries, a woman brings money to her husband at marriage is called a dowry. At a private school, the cost of tuition is called a fee. In court, which money you pay for wrongdoing is called a fine. Money saved or collected for a particular purpose is called a fund. Money borrowed from the bank is called a loan. Money paid to someone who has retired is called a pension. Money which paid to kidnappers for the release of a captive is called a ransom. Money which paid to employees every month is called a salary. Money given in return for good service is known as a tip. Money paid on a weekly basis to workers is called wages. Pocket money given to children is called an allowance. Illegal money paid in exchange for a service is known as a bribe. Money which you pay the government is called a tax. Alright, it's time to end. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Did you like my video? Please give your feedback. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.